Gemini Omni just changed the game of AI video generation, but 90% of people are wasting it on pointless 3-second clips of cats dancing stuff. Meanwhile, smart business owners are using the exact same tool to land clients, build brands, and create content that used to cost $10,000 to produce. Next in this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways to actually make money with Gemini Omni, with the exact prompts you can copy and paste today. Number 1. Premium product videos, and this is the one that pays for itself the fastest. Premium product showcase videos. Upload any product photo you have. A flat photo of your product on a white background. In my case, I'm uploading Apple's digital watch photo. Then give Gemini Omni this prompt. Create a premium product showcase video with smooth camera movements, cinematic lighting, and close-up macro shots. Add subtle motion blur and a soft studio background. That's it. Look at the result. What you get back is the kind of video that used to require a $4,000 camera, a studio, and a videographer charging $2,000 a day. This is gold for e-commerce stores, SaaS founders, and local businesses. If you sell anything, physical or digital, start here. And before we move forward, I know what you're thinking. Every video Gemini Omni makes has that sparkle watermark in the corner. I can't post that to clients. Don't worry, stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to show you the exact tool I use to get rid of this watermark in about 10 seconds, no quality loss. So you don't lose this video, and let's get into it. Number 2, founder story videos. This one builds trust faster than anything else on the internet. Upload your photo, just one. Then write out your story in 3 to 4 sentences. How you started, what problem you solved, where you are now. Then use this prompt. Create a cinematic founder journey video showing the growth of the business, from struggling startup to success. Use warm lighting, slow motion, and emotional pacing. People buy from people. And a 30-second founder story video on your About page or pinned to your LinkedIn is a conversion machine. I've seen this single video type increase landing page conversions by double digits. That's it. Look at the result.
I built a software business focused on creating innovative automation solutions that solve real-world problems and help businesses grow more efficiently.
Number 3, turn your expertise into content. If you're a coach, consultant, or agency owner, you already know what your audience. Stop typing word LinkedIn posts that nobody reads. Create a 10-second educational video explaining the one biggest mistake businesses make with YouTube ads. Use clean infographic style, bold text overlays, and a confident voiceover.
Number 1. The weak hook. If you don't grab their attention in the first 5 seconds, they're gone.
Swap YouTube ads for your niche, SEO, sales, hiring, fitness, whatever. You can turn one blog post into 10 short educational videos in a single afternoon. Now, as I promised at the start of this video, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact watermark removal tool you can use to remove this sparkle watermark from Google Flow videos. You can also use it to remove the watermark from Google Flow images. First, search for Erasio.io and click on Install Extension. This will open the Erasio Chrome extension page. Click the Add to Chrome button and then click Add Extension. Now, refresh the Google Flow website. You'll see an Erasio button appear on every video and image generated by Google Flow. Let me click the Erasio button appearing on this video. As you can see, a progress window appears saying, Removing the watermark. Wait for a couple of seconds and you'll see that the watermark has been completely removed. You can preview the before and after results, and as you can see, the watermark is completely gone. Simply click the download button, and the watermark-free video will be downloaded to your device. Now, let me show you how you can remove the watermark from Google Flow images. Again, click the Erasio button appearing on this image. This time, you can see that the watermark is not completely removed from the image. But don't worry, this Chrome extension has a fine-tune button. Clicking it will open a side panel where you can adjust the gain when stamp drift's value. I'm going to increase the value to 1.0. And now, as you can see, the watermark is no longer visible. Let me show you the result in a zoomed-in view. Everything looks clean with no visible watermark. Now, click Download, and the watermark-free image will be downloaded successfully. As you can see, there is no watermark left behind. You can also use this Chrome extension on the Google Gemini website. Simply click the native download button on a video or image generated by Gemini, and Erasio will automatically process it and remove the watermark, just like on the Google Flow website. And if you already have videos downloaded with the Sparkle watermark, you can use the Erasio website tool to remove the watermark from those existing files. Finally, if you want to remove watermarks directly from your mobile phone, you can also use the Erasio mobile app. So, Erasio gives you an easy way to remove the watermark. Number 4, and this is one of the biggest opportunities for businesses and marketers: create authentic UGC ads without hiring creators. With Gemini Omni, you can turn a simple product image into a realistic user-generated style video that looks like it was filmed by a real creator on a smartphone. Need a skincare testimonial? Generate it. Need an unboxing video? Generate it. Need a creator explaining why they love your app? Generate that too. Now let me generate a men's skincare product UGC ad.
I've been using this face wash, and honestly, it's made a huge difference. It removes excess oil without drying my face. It leaves my skin feeling fresh every morning. If you're looking for a face wash that works, try this one.
Instead of spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on UGC creators just to test a few ad variations, you can generate multiple hooks, scripts, and creator styles in minutes. Number 5, personalized outreach videos. If you do any kind of cold outreach, sales, or partnerships, this one will change your reply rates overnight. Take a screenshot of your prospect's website or their company logo. Upload it to Gemini Omni and prompt. Create a personalized 10-second video introducing our solution for software business. Feature the company's branding, address their industry, and end with a clear call to action to book a meeting. Now imagine getting a personalized video where your name, your logo, your website is actually inside the video being sent to you. People reply, period. This is unfair advantage territory. Number 6. And if you're not doing short form, you are leaving free traffic on the table. Use Gemini Omni to mass-produce vertical 9:16 content for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Try this prompt. Create a vertical 9016 short-form video, hook-driven, with bold captions burned in, fast cuts, and an attention-grabbing opening 3 seconds. 1 hour of prompting can give you a month of shorts. I personally batch 30 videos every Sunday morning and schedule them out. The math on this is insane. 1 hour replaces what used to take a small team a whole week. Number 7, product demos. If you've got a SaaS, an app, or any kind of software, listen up. Upload screen recordings of your product, then prompt, create a polished product demo video. Add smooth zoom-ins on key features, animated callouts explaining each section, and a confident narrator voiceover. End with a clear call to action. What used to take a motion designer 2 weeks now takes you 10 minutes. Slap it on your landing page and watch your demo request rate climb. Number 8, testimonials. Most businesses have stacks of amazing written testimonials sitting in their email inbox doing absolutely nothing. Bring them to life. Try this. Create a cinematic testimonial video using this written customer quote. Add stylized text overlays, warm cinematic B-roll of business success, and emotional pacing. Social proof. On autopilot, and for a fraction of what a real video production crew would charge to bring one in. Number 9, and this one quietly prints money: ad creatives for paid campaigns. Anyone running Meta ads, Google ads, or TikTok ads knows the secret: creative fatigue kills your ROAS. You need fresh ads constantly. Prompt Gemini Omni like this. Create 5 different 15-second ad variations for your product. Each ad should test a different hook: a problem hook, a benefit hook, a curiosity hook, a social proof hook, and an urgency hook. 5 ads, 10 minutes. Test them all. Kill the losers. Scale the winners. That's how 7-figure ad accounts get run in 2026. And number 10, event recap and highlight reels. Just spoke at a conference? Ran a webinar? Hosted a workshop? Upload a few photos and prompt. Create a cinematic event highlight reel with sweeping camera movements, energetic music pacing, and a powerful closing shot. Post it within 24 hours. You'll get bookings for your next event before the current one is even over.